Kumusta? Magandang araw. Ako si Reymund. Hello everyone. Good day. I'm Reymund and welcome to my channel. Our lesson for today is all about the Tagalog word nagkaroon. Nagkaroon. When we say nagkaroon, that means to have. Nagkaroon. So this is placed before a noun to indicate to have what the noun expresses. This may be shortened to magka and is similar to meaning to may and mayroon, which also expresses existence and or actual possession. Magkaroon has tense forms while may and meron do not have any except when may is followed by a verb, forming words and phrases with magkaroon. So there are two ways on how to do this. You can say magkaroon plus article ng plus the noun, or you can say magka plus the noun. Let us have the following examples. Magkaroon ng pera or magkapera. When we say pera, that's money. Magkaroon ng pera or magkapera, that means to have money. The next one is magkaroon ng jowa or magkajowa. So that means to have a boyfriend or a girlfriend kasi a jowa is gender neutral. Magkaroon ng jowa, magkajowa. Let us have them in the past, the present, or the future tense of the verb. For the past tense, we have nagkaroon ng pera or nagkapera. That means had money. Nagkaroon ng pera or nagkapera. For the present tense is nagkakaroon ng pera or nagkakapera. That means has money, present tense. For the future tense, magkakaroon ng pera and magkakapera. That means we'll have money. So like you can say, magkakaroon ng pera si Nico sa susunod na buwan. That means Nico will have money next month. Another example is nagkaroon ng trabaho or nagkatrabaho. That means had work. Past tense, nagkaroon ng trabaho. For the present tense is nagkakaroon ng trabaho or nagkakatrabaho. That means has work. For the future tense, magkakaroon ng trabaho or magkakatrabaho. That means will have work. Next is nagkaroon ng bahay or nagkabahay. That's for the past tense, which means had house. Nagkaroon ng bahay or nagkabahay. For the present tense, we have nagkakaroon ng bahay or nagkakabahay. That means has house, present tense. And then for the future tense, we'll have a house. That would be magkakaroon ng bahay or magkakabahay. Another example is nagkaroon ng sasakyan or nagkasasakyan. That means had a car for the past tense. For the present tense, we have nagkakaroon ng sasakyan or nagkasasakyan. That means has a car. And for the future tense, we'll have a car is magkakaroon ng sasakyan and magkakasasakyan. Sasakyan is a car. Magkakasasakyan, sasakyan means car. Let us use them in a meaningful sentence. Nagkaroon ng sasakyan si Maria, or you can also say si Maria ay nagkaroon ng sasakyan, which means Maria had a car. Nagkasasakyan na si Maria, or si Maria ay nagkasasakyan na. That means Maria had a car already. Nagkaroon ng sasakyan si Maria ay nagkaroon ng sasakyan. Nagkasasakyan na si Maria ay nagkasasakyan na. Nagkaroon na ng asawa si Juan. Si Juan ay nagkaroon na ng asawa. That means Juan already had a wife. Nagkaasawa na si Juan or si Juan ay nagkaasawa na. That also means Juan had a wife already. Nagkaroon na ng asawa si Juan. Si Juan ay nagkaroon na ng asawa. Nagkaasawa na si Juan. Si Juan ay nagkaasawa na. Nagkaroon ng cellphone si Clara or si Clara ay nagkaroon ng cellphone. In English, that means Maria had cellphone. Nagka-cellphone na si Clara or si Clara ay nagka-cellphone na. Nagkaroon ng cellphone si Clara or si Clara ay nagkaroon ng cellphone. So that means Clara had a cellphone or Clara had cellphone. Nagkaroon ng cellphone si Clara or si Clara ay nagkaroon ng cellphone. So that means Clara had a cellphone. Nagka-cellphone na si Clara or si Clara ay nagka-cellphone na. So that means Clara had a cellphone already. Nagkaroon ng cellphone si Clara ay nagkaroon ng cellphone. Nagka-cellphone na si Clara ay nagka-cellphone na. Nagkaroon na ng pera si Pedro, or si Pedro ay nagkaroon na ng pera. So that means Pedro already had money. The next one is nagkapera na si Pedro. Si Pedro ay nagkapera na, that means Pedro had money already. Nagkaroon na ng pera si Pedro. Si Pedro ay nagkaroon na ng pera. Nagkapera na si Pedro or si Pedro ay nagkapera na. That's all for our lesson, which is about the Tagalog word magkaroon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like or subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.